Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage storage in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a privacy focused email platform, which means all the email attachments and contact are end-to-end encrypted. Because of this encryption and the limits of free accounts, storage can fill up quickly. So free accounts have limited storage of the 500 MB. Paid plans infuses storage up to 5 GB or more. Setting storage limits prevents you from sending or receiving emails. So in order to do that, go to your web browser. In the top we can find this address bar, type down proton.me and enter it and click onto the sign in the top right corner. And over here you need to select to this mail, and after that we can find to this small setting gear. Click onto the setting gear and go to this all the setting over here. And once you get into the interface, in the left hand side we can find this account. Under this account, go to the subscription here. Under the subscription we can find to this Proton free get more storage. What you can do is you need to go to this get more storage here. Then you can select any of the plan from here as well. You can select for this plan as per the recommendations or a preference, as I'm going to select one of the plan. And over here you can also choose which monthly or the yearly you can do that and select to this pay US. And over here you can also select to this payment detail methods over here. And after that you can type down your card detail number and you can select to this pay US and you can proceed to it. And that is it. This is how you can manage to your storage on your Proton. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.